Ryobi is a brand that's well known for producing high-quality power tools that are both reliable and featureful. From cordless drills to table saws, their range of tools is designed to cater to the needs of DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. So, in today's video, we'll show you the 10 coolest Ryobi power tools that you need to see. Let's start with the Ryobi RTBS18X Table Saw. This is a sturdy and easy-to-use saw that comes with a stable design to tackle most commercial cutting jobs. Thanks to the large work surface area, this saw is suitable for a variety of cutting projects and different sized materials. It comes with an integrated miter gauge, which ensures precise angled cuts. The RTBS18X has a 24-tooth general-purpose TCT blade for immediate use. In terms of efficiency, this table saw gives you a maximum ripping capacity of up to 318 millimeters for trimming larger sheet wood to size. Meanwhile, the transparent blade guard and anti-kickback powels enhance user safety during operation. The saw also features an onboard storage compartment for convenient storage of accessories, such as the miter gauge and blade wrench. Handheld shovels are enough for removing light snow, but if your patio is covered with a thick layer of them, you must go with this Ryobi RY36STX61A snow thrower. This is a two-stage brushless 61-centimeter snow thrower that runs on 4 active batteries to give you extended runtime. Most importantly, it has an ergonomic design and easily operable handle, which makes the operation a breeze. Another pro of this tool is it has all-metal augers that tackles stubborn snow and reduces ice of up to 53 centimeters deep. Surprisingly, the RY36STX61A can throw snow up to 16.9 feet away, so you no longer have to shovel them again and again. And oh, there are also built-in LEDs to help you work in low light areas. From a professional contractor to a DIY homemaker, lasers are a must-have for everyone who wants to make their projects go smoothly. Keeping that in mind, Ryobi designed this 360-degree green line laser, which stands like your own personal level genie. Jokes aside, this tool is incredibly easy to use and packed with great features. One of the coolest features of these lasers is that you can activate the laser lines individually with just the top button. So, whether you need a vertical line for tiling or a horizontal line for hanging pictures, you can get it done in a snap. The green laser technology is also a game changer. It's up to 4 times more visible than red lasers. This tool has an automatic self-leveling system, which means you'll always get pinpoint level laser lines for every job. Seeking a versatile and efficient tool for trimming and shaping shrubs? Well, you can never go wrong with the Ryobi Shear Shrubber. First and foremost, this shrubber features a quick connect system, which enables users to easily switch blade types depending on the task at hand. Thus, you can save both time and hassle while getting all the hedges perfectly manicured. The over-mold handle is another impressive feature of the Ryobi Shear Shrubber. It enhances the functionality and user comfort, making it easier and more comfortable to use the tool for longer use. Additionally, the lightweight design of the tool makes it highly portable and maneuverable, allowing users to reach tight spaces and trim hedges with ease. And the dual blade action of this tool is also worth mentioning. It lets you achieve a smooth and sharp look to your trees. Traditional wrenches take a long time to tighten or fasten things, and hassle. That's obvious. Ryobi made this RYWH18X impact wrench, which comes in a cordless form factor and provides high performance for heavy-duty tasks that require significant torque. This wrench boasts a strong HP brushless motor that delivers substantial power and produces a whopping 1,600 Newton meters of breakaway torque, so that you can easily handle rusted or over-tightened bolts and nuts without breaking a sweat. It has a half-inch friction ring anvil design that ensures a secure grip, allowing you to quickly and efficiently change sockets as needed. Plus, you can adjust the tool's speed to suit any task thanks to the 3-speed settings. Hold on, there's more. The tri-beam LED light of this wrench gives bright and efficient illumination, making it easy to work in low-light conditions. Don't think it's a big walkie-talkie. This is the Ryobi cordless radio with Bluetooth, designed for professional tradespeople who often prefer listening to their favorite tunes that make work fun. This compact radio features stable Bluetooth wireless technology, allowing you to stream full audio up to 30 feet. No more cords or tangled wires getting in your way as you work. It also has integrated USB ports for handy charging of mobile devices. The multi-mode selector is another cool feature that lets you choose between FM, AM, aux, and Bluetooth modes, giving you plenty of options for listening to your favorite music or radio station. And to make things even more convenient, the Ryobi cordless radio with Bluetooth includes 2 AAA batteries for station presets, so you can easily tune into your favorite stations. Get rid of stubborn dirt and grime with the Ryobi gas-powered pressure washer. This 3,400 PSI pressure washer comes with a 16-inch surface cleaner that gives you ultimate versatility for household or professional cleaning tasks. Thanks to its Honda GC190 engine, this tool delivers huge force to blast away dirt, grime, oil, and other tough stains. And the durable wheelbarrow frame with 10-inch wheels makes it easy to move around. Plus, the reversible handle saves space when storing it away. This pressure washer also has a 50-foot non-marring high-pressure hose and a 5-in-1 quick changeover nozzle, meaning you'll have the flexibility to clean any surface with ease. When it comes to hard surfaces, the tool cleans up to 4 times faster than a standard nozzle, leaving you with a large, streak-free cleaning path. Gas-powered blowers are an absolute headache for lawn care and landscaping professionals. That's why Ryobi made this RY4470 jet fan blower, which provides exact gas-like performance, but with the cordless facility. It comes with powerful jet fan technology and generates around 550 CFM airflow that blows away all the dead leaves and debris from the ground. The best pro of this Whisper Series blower is it produces only 59 decibels of noise, so your work is no longer going to be the reason for anyone's hassle, even yours. Oh, there's also a turbo mode integrated into the handle, which increases your productivity and lessens total job time. And the lightweight design? Well, you can use it for large areas without getting any hand strain at all. When it comes to cutting large, thick logs, chainsaws are indispensable. The Ryobi electric 16-inch chainsaw is an environment-friendly and maintenance-free alternative to gas-operated saws. Thanks to the powerful 13-amp motor and a 16-inch bar and chain, this saw is ready to take on your toughest cutting jobs. Say goodbye to gas, oil, filters, and spark plugs. This saw requires none of those. Instead, simply pull the trigger and let the saw do the work. It also features an automatic oiler and toolless chain tensioning, so you can make quick and easy adjustments on the go. In terms of safety, this saw is equipped with an automatic chain brake system that delivers the confidence you need to complete your jobs safely. Long story short, nobody wants to struggle with bulky drill drivers in tight spaces or overhead work. So, let's wrap up today's list with the Ryobi RTBS18X compact drill driver. Weighing comparatively light and having a compact size, this mini powerhouse is perfect for drilling holes and driving screws in even the toughest applications. It equips an 18-volt brushless motor that delivers up to 54 Newton-meters of torque, while the 2-speed gearbox provides speeds of up to 1,700 RPM. Working in dimly lit areas? No problem. The onboard LED work light will keep your workspace illuminated. And it also features a standard 13mm chuck and adjustable clutch, which allows you to avoid over-tightening screws and damaging issues. Okay, so that was the list of the 10 coolest Ryobi Power Tools that you need to see. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.